Hello, I'm June Kate, and I'm on my beautiful Tampa Bay. I'm a Tampa line dancer, and today we're going to be learning Hey Baby. I know I said a line dancer, but this one is actually done in a circle. It's so much fun, and it was from a song from the 60s that was revamped in the 2000s. So I'm going to step back, I'm going to show you the moves, and then we'll go through it again. So stepping back, we're going to walk forward and walk back when they say, hey, baby. So it looks like this. Hey, hey, baby. Then we go, ooh, ah. We're going to take our hands, we're going to roll it. I want to know if you'll be my girl. Okay, now you know why. I was with the band for 10 years, they never turned on the microphone. So, anyway, let's try it together, all together. Ready and hey, hey, baby, ooh, ah. I wanna know if you'll be my girl. Okay, we're gonna keep doing that, except we're going to make a turn to the right. When they say, when I saw her walking down the street, you're going to turn to the right and you're going to walk. And then I'm going to say reverse. I want you to take a sharp turn, walk the other way. Then a sharp turn, walk the other way. And a sharp turn, walk the other way. And then when he starts to say again, hey baby, you're going to come back to the chorus. So it's going to kind of look like this. Stay with me. Here I go. Ready and hey, hey, baby, ooh, ah, I wanna know if you'll be my girl. Again, hey, hey, baby, ooh, ah, I wanna know if you'll be my girl. Now we're gonna turn right. When I turn and I walked away, turn. That's when I want to say, turn. Come on, baby, give me a whirl. I want to know if you'll be my girl. So you kind of got it. And then when they start saying, hey, baby, you go back to the chorus. Now, nobody laugh at me. Like I said, I have a terrible voice. When I was young, this is an old story, but my two sisters and I used to, one wash the dishes. There was no dishwasher back then. The other one dried the dishes, and I got to stamp my feet. They wouldn't let me sing while they were singing and doing the dishes. So, and they always called me alfalfa. So I have a very bad complex. But you know what? It doesn't matter whether you sing good or bad. It matters only that you sing. And when you get the chance to dance, I hope you dance. So, June Kate, Tampa Bay Bodies, let's practice that a couple of times. Put on the song, you'll get the hang of it. And I hope you dance and keep on moving.